I had this kid in my arms and I did not know what to do with it. Hi, my name is Isha Mehta Lamba. I'm an A certified person trainer undergoing my examination for OBB antenatal postnatal fitness specialist through ACE, and also um, completing my level 1 animal flow certification this year. And yeah, that's about me. My fitness journey started really long back. I was always into fitness. I never, I don't remember a time when I was not working out or dancing or doing anything about fitness, regarding fitness, because since class 8 I was with Shamak, and been doing his workshops in Chandigarh and doing the SDIPA organized events and stuff. And after that happened, I went for my higher studies to the UK, and there I was again into dancing and was again with Shamak for a really long time, till 2011. And then when I came back to India in 2011, that is where I started gymming actually. And since then, I have been gymming throughout since so many years now. And the best thing about gym was lifting weights, and lifting weights used to excite me. So I never had thought of taking this as a career option, but fitness, I was a fitness freak since forever. So the basic fitness turn point was in my life was after pregnancy. So during pregnancy, I had a really hard time working out because घर वालों ने वर्कआउट करने नहीं दिया, बिकॉज प्रेग्नेंट औरत कैसे वर्कआउट कर सकती है ना, तो बच्चे को प्रॉब्लम होगी. तो आई यूज टू ऑलवेज फील लाइक आई हैव been trapped in this cage of limited to my house and not going out for workouts. Only walk I could go out with my mother-in-law. I used to, but workout के लिए gym नहीं जा सकती, कैसे जाएगी gym, गिर गई तो क्या होगा. So all this nuisance and all this paranoid actions of my house, people in the house. So I started researching on that. Is it like really people can't work out during pregnancy? So then I thought, and I started searching on Instagram blogs. That time I was not blogging. So I used to see a lot like Messi Arias. I don't know if I'm spelling it correctly. Messi Arias was somebody I used to look up to. We both were pregnant on the same time, and she used to do like hardcore workout, and I was like, okay, she's doing hardcore workout, I have a normal pregnancy, why can't I do a normal like a workout? So 6 o'clock I used to wake up, my husband used to go to the gym, and that is the time I used to work out. I think my husband didn't know that I was working out, my family didn't know I was working out. I was doing dumbbells and everything I had in the house, doing everything. So I think till 8 months, 3 to 8 months of my pregnancy, I was working out like really much more than I thought I would, but I did really work out like 3 to 4 times a week. And yeah, that was the biggest challenge for me, that people thought that I should not be working out, but I still did. तो अच्छा हुआ ना कि मैंने वर्कआउट किया. Okay, उसके बाद भी when I had a kid, I had this kid in my arms and I did not know what to do with it. So since being a fitness freak, I used to freak out looking at myself. यार ये क्या हो गया मेरे साथ? So I've gained 20 kgs, and I'm not fitting in my clothes anymore. I'm wearing my mom's clothes now, and I just gave it time and thought कि okay, this is a phase, it will go out, it will fade. So the challenge was being that I did not know how to tackle my kid firstly. Second, I was not allowed to exercise again because people thought कि यार अब बच्चा हुआ है तो why do you want to exercise, why do you want to get back into shape, eat, feed the kid, so why do you want to think about fitness? So again I started researching that why are people stopping me again from working out, what is the process of getting back into fitness after post pregnancy. I asked many people, most of them did not know. So I thought, let's just give it a try, let's see what happens. So I started researching online. saw many videos of postpartum. What is postpartum? What is it? What is postpartum fitness? So that is one thing that struck me, that I live in a city where nobody knows about it, and where I come from, I live in Panchkula, so nobody knew about that there, and it was like more of a gray area. So I started researching on that again, and then um, but baby I had to keep looking after, so I did not think about doing anything until she was 1. So still I was researching, and I got to know about what is diastasis recti, something that women face after pregnancy, and then I used to check for diastasis for myself. Always been in confusion if I'm doing it right or not, but still it was all hit and trial. And once she turned 1 year old, I had done all the research about what I need to do once she's, because before pregnancy I used to go for my family business. It was like 1 hour drive from Ambala where I live now. So I used to travel frequently, and traveling after the kid was like impossible because I could not do it. So I had thought of career change, and that career change was like a blessing in disguise. And I had my kid, and I did not know what to do with my fitness. So that was one blessing in disguise. And then when I started doing workouts, I was not really sure if I'm doing it correctly, but blindly I was doing workouts as I was doing previously. So after 3 months of pregnancy, I started normal working out, and okay, everything worked out very well for me. So, but still, there was this gap I needed to fill. Like, what if I had a C-section? What were the repercussions of that? And what if I had a pregnancy which a complication? So, what would have happened in that case? So, those were the areas I needed to work on to, right? So, वो मैंने बहुत research किया, and then after deciding to do like a baseline ACE CPT, then I thought that I need to specialize in this. So फिर हाँ, जब भी मैं किसी लड़की से बात करती थी इधर, कि मैंने पूछा, अच्छा तुम्हें डायस्टिटिस के बारे में पता है, एंड दिस ये क्या वर्ड है यार, डायस्टिटिस क्या होता है, एंड लाइक ओके पोस्टपार्टम वर्कआउट के बारे में पता है, लाइक पोस्टपार्टम क्या होता है, like yeah, people have no idea about all this. Yeah, so I thought of making this as a career, and helping people out. And Ambala में तो Kegels भी नहीं पता किसी को क्या होते हैं. So I started actually training people in my gym after my ACE certification. I started training females regarding all this. So I'm so proud of myself that I can say that I've helped a lot of females understanding this process of postpartum exercising, and getting back fitness into their lives postpartum. So yeah, this is something which is very challenging for me, and my in-laws have been very supportive, and my husband has been very supportive. So yeah, support was always there, but the challenge of people accepting the fact that women can work out during and after pregnancy. Piece of advice for all new mothers: firstly, acceptance. Please accept the fact that you have gained weight, you have a kid, and things are not the same anymore. Your freedom is not there. So acceptance is the key. The faster you accept it, the better it is for you. Secondly, don't fret over your weight. This was bound to happen, right? तो ये तो होना ही था, तो अब उसके ऊपर रिपेंट करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. So just try to correct your eating habits. Try to move more. Initially, you can't just jump onto a treadmill and run, right? You have to just keep on walking and moving more in the house. So try to do things for your baby yourself. So हाँ, थोड़ा activity level बढ़ा के रखो. So and खाने को कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा. पंजीरियाँ और ये लड्डू और घी जो हमारी मॉम्स ऊपर डाल के हमें खिला रही हैं, they are good till an extent, not कि आपने उसी पे जीना है, right? So just try to opt for healthier options rather than all good fats, but excess of everything is very bad. Hire a person or a personal trainer who actually knows about what to do after pregnancy. There are thousands of trainers there who don't know how to treat a person or like a postpartum female. Please do not go and just start running on the treadmill, crunching or planks क्योंकि हमें अपना tummy अंदर करना है. Don't do that. Please hire somebody who has knowledge about all this. So there are phases that we need to go through when you are a postpartum female. you need to go through some stages before actually starting onto, like, hopping onto a treadmill. Please, please, please hire somebody who knows all this. And take it chill. Do not rush into fitness. एक साल दो अपने आप को. You will get the best body of your life. Yes, you have to accept stretch marks होंगे, loose skin होगी. They are all a part of motherhood, but acceptance is key. My biggest inspiration during the pregnancy phase and post-pregnancy phase was Macy Arias, because who was somebody who inspired me to work out during pregnancy, and after pregnancy she got back like this into shape. Like, she dedicated herself to fitness. So she was the one who inspired me really to come back to shape. And also, being a fitness freak, as I have already mentioned, 20 kgs overweight and wearing my mom's clothes, like extra large clothes, to small size clothes, was coming back into those was a challenge for me, but something which I accepted and could do it very nicely. I took 9 months to come back into shape. I did not rush into it. I did not, because I knew it is not worth it. So if somebody who understands this fact, कोई भी postpartum mother was thinking कि यार मुझे 3 महीने में वापस आना अपनी shape में, it does not happen like that. If you, for some people it might happen because weight gain इतना नहीं हुआ है during pregnancy, but यार नॉर्मल जनता नहीं कर पाती है ये. सो प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड दिस फैक्ट कि आप उन 80% लोगों में से हो जो इतनी जल्दी वेट लूज नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो जस्ट गिव योर सेल्फ टाइम, एंड इफ यू बीन ओवर वेट बिफोर प्रेगनेंसी देन इट हार्डर फॉर यू टू लूज वेट. सो प्लीज़ keep those starting points in mind before getting into end result चाहिए, but you have to keep on thinking about the starting points as well. My guru mantra for all females entering the fitness industry, or who really want to enter, or who are already in the fitness industry, guru mantra कोई एक नहीं है, but एक चीज़ ज़रूर है, that if you think you are passionate about fitness, और आपको लगता है that you can take it as a long term career, please go for it. इससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं है ज़िंदगी में, right? Because fitness is right now like on paramount, and इससे अच्छा कोई फील्ड नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज एक कम्युनिटी है वुमेन की, इस बिल्डिंग कम्युनिटी है वुमेन की, एंड इस कम्युनिटी को राइज करना है हमने, एंड वी डोंट हैव टू पुल ईच अदर डाउन. ऑलवेज बी करेजियस, ऑलवेज हैव अ स्टर्न विजन, बिकॉज अगर आपको यही नहीं पता आपने करना क्या है, देन यू हैव नो वे टू गो. ओके, एंड ऑलवेज हैव पीपल who are on your back, who don't pull you down, because there are so many to pull you down. Family members हैं, and friends हैं जो आपको नहीं support करेंगे, but the few handful which support you, who support you, will you will have faith of going ahead in your path, कि आपको लगेगा कि that you're on the right path. So if you're passionate about fitness, please go for it. Do not listen to anybody. Upcoming goals तो बहुत सोचे हुए हैं लाइफ में, बट according to circumstance, according to my kid and family, if I have certain goals that I can think of right now that I need to achieve, is like a good nutrition a good nutrition course, and what else? I am a very, very much keen interest in rehab. So yes, that is something I would love to see myself doing in another 2-3 years. Rival or competition in this industry? See, rivalry and competition are very negative words. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि whoever I know through Instagram or through this fitness industry, I want to take everybody together. I have a lot of people I know from my health buddy who are such great people, such great supporters. So वो एक community है which I look up to, which inspires me, and then there are a few people I need to mention, in like big names they might be, but for me they're like my inspirations. So competition कोई नहीं है यार, हमेशा हर किसी से इंस्पिरेशन है, बिकॉज जो चीज़ मेरे अंदर है वो किसी दूसरे अंदर की नहीं होगी, एंड जो अच्छी चीज़ उसके अंदर है वो मेरे अंदर नहीं होगी. सो वो चीज़ें जो द पजल, इट्स फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री इज़ लाइक अ पजल. जो एक जिगसॉ उसके पास है, वो दूसरा जिगसॉ किसी और के पास है. सो एवरीबडी इज़ फिटिंग इन but with their own uniqueness. We need to learn from all that. Supporters and friends, so as I've already mentioned, my health buddy तो एक पूरा big community है ही है, like big support from their side. Each and every buddy and the founder, everybody is very supportive. And मेरी family, my husband specifically, because he was the one who has pushed me actually when I gave up कि नहीं हो पाएगा. He was the one who pushed me. And my brothers, my mom, everybody, there's been really big support from their side. And I would also like to mention, they're not support, but I feel nice looking at these people. Is Heba Ali, and then there is Sammy Simon, and then there is Shweta, Animal Flow instructor, superb with knowledge, and I really love her geeky stuff. So these are few people I really look up to. So yeah, and these are good people I look up to. So yeah, something okay, awkward. First of all, I would like to thank MadFit Junkie to give me this opportunity to bring out my story in front of you guys. And you guys are doing such a fabulous job, building up a community. Such a positive vibe I get from you guys, and you're taking care of each and every individual who is getting associated with you, and building it up in a very positive way. साथ लेके चल रहे हैं सबको, which is like the best thing, and we get to know so many new people in the fitness industry, like budding and existing. So thank you and keep up the good work, and I'm so glad to have known you.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like our video and if you want to promote yourself and motivate others, you can connect with us. To connect, you can find all the details in the description. Please like, share and subscribe to my video. To subscribe to my channel, click here, and to watch our previous videos, you can click here. Thank you so much.